Thursday, 7th of May 2020. Mathematics. Division of higher two-digit numbers without a remainder. Division of higher two-digit number without a remainder or carry. The same method we use in dividing two digits by 2 could be used here. First, divide the number under tens and write the answer under tens, colon. Then divide the number under units and write the answer under units. Is it clear? Let me take it again. Division of higher two-digit number without a remainder. Without a remainder or without carry. The same method we use in dividing two digits by 2 could be used here. Don't forget that we've done one before, that we used to. For example, let us read down. We have 22. This is just a reminder that we have done such thing like this. Can you see this 22? When we are dividing it by 2, you just count 1, 2. You have 1 here. You write your 1. 1, 2. You have 1 also. You write 1. So which means when you are dividing 2, you are getting, with 22, you are getting your 11. So that is the method that we use when we are doing higher, when we are dealing with higher numbers. The same method we use in dividing two digits, which is the example I just did now. The two digits could be used here. The example. First divide the number under tens. You first divide the number under tens and write the answer under tens column. Then divide the number under unit and write the answer under unit column. You can see this is the example. Example 1 here. We have 36. So you just count your 3. 1, 2, 3. You have your 1. Just 1. You write your 1. Can you see your 6? You count your 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you see? And you will ring it because we are dealing with 3. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2. You can see your 2 and you write it. Which means 36 divided by 3 is 12. Let's move to example 2. We have our 6 and 3, which is 63. So you just count your 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you see it right? Can you see it very well? You count your 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you will count 1, 2, 3. Don't forget we are dealing with 3 this time around, not 2, like our last topic. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, which is 6. So we have 2, and you go straight to your equal to sign and write your 2. Can you see your 3? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. So when you have your 3 here, you count 1, you ring it, and you write your answer. So that is that. Is it clear to you? I've explained everything that is here, that we are having when we are dealing with 2, when we are dividing by 2. The same method that we use to divide with 2, we are applying the method with 3 now. Even if you want to do your 4 at home, you can even try your 4 at home. When they ask you to divide something like with 4, they can give you like 44 and sort it with 4. All what you need to do is that you will just do it like this, equal to sign. You are sorting with 4. Don't forget, not 3 again. You can even try your own more at home. You can deal with 5. Like for example, if you have 55 and they ask you to sort it with 5, the same method that you use when we are dealing with 2, you will use it with 3. Like this one now, we have our 44 and we want to sort it with 4. You just do it like this. You count, which is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many 4? 1. You write your 1. You just write your 1 here. The same thing here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 1, 4. You write. So which means 44 divided by 4 is the same thing as 11. Can you see your 55 also? You can write it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many 5? 1. So you go to your equal to sign. You write your 1. The same thing, you come here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many 5? 1. You write. But sometimes you can even have more than this. So you just apply the same method. Now let us mean that we have 84 and you want to solve with 4. How are we going to go do it? You just write your 84 like this. When you write your 84, you do it like this. You put your sign, division sign, sharing sign. You say divided by 4 and put your equal to. Don't forget your equal to sign. So can you see your 8? You just count your 8 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you will start it with what? With your 4. You will divide by what? You will divide by 4. Can you see your 8 on the board? Can you see your 8? Yes. You have your 84 and you want to sort it with 4. You will just do it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't forget 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't forget 2. In your 8, you have your 2 4s. You write 1, 2. You just write your 2. And this one 4, you count your 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's only 1 4. You write it. Which means when you are dividing your 84 by 4, you are having your 21. So you can even apply this method at home and use it to do your own and practice on your own. So it is not difficult. You can see I have done your 4 for you. I have done 5. You can say I have done a lot. Now let's move to the assignment. We have 93. Don't forget, I just moved to this for better explanation. You can see this is 93. We have 93 on the board. Don't forget we are dealing with 3. We are not doing 4, but just to understand all what I'm teaching you. You can see you have your 93 here. When you are having your 93 and you want to sort it with 3, you want to share it with 3. All what you need to do is that you can write it out. If your space cannot contain it, you can write your 93. Can you see? Can you see the board very well? You can write your 93. 9 and 3. And you write it out. Divided by what? Divided by 3. So all what you need to do is that you count your 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Don't forget, you write your what? Your 9. Now you now sort it into 3. Don't forget we are dealing with 3s. So you just do it like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. 2, 1, 2, 3. 3. You write your 3. And this one is how many 3? 1. You can count 1, 2, 3. 1, 3. So you write. You have your 31 when you are sorting 93 by 3. You have your 31 as your answer. So is it clear to you? Yes. Am I talking? Yes. Am I talking? So you can see I've done 2 numbers for you, but we have not touched like this one with 0. Can you see it? We have not touched it. We have not done it. But I need to explain. You can see this is 16. 6 and 0, 60. When we are dealing with such thing like this, all you need to do is that you write your 60 out. Divided by what? Divided by 3. So you write your equal to sign. Can you see it very well? This is figure 6. And you count your 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you will start it with what? Don't forget we are dealing with 3. 1, 2, 3. You ring it. 1, 1, 2, 3. You ring 2. Can you see it right? So here you have your 3 into 2 places. So you have your 1, 2. You have your 2. And you just bring this 0. You bring it forward. Can you see it like that? You just bring this 0. You bring it forward. Since you have 0 in front of 6, you just count only the 6. You will divide into 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. 2. You have 2. And right, you brought your 0. You brought it forward. Is it clear to you? Till next time we meet, I still remain Mrs. Akanbi. You can search for us on our YouTube. Or you should go to www.fasatech schools. Thank you. Thank you. Bye for now.